Just finishing up my coffee here. Go in my office. My wife is still sleeping, so I'm trying to be quiet. And Jersey's not meowing. He's out there, but I already gave him treats. All right, let's come in my office here. So I got another word study here, and I'm going to share it with you today. Just because I can share these word studies. And it is the word because. There it is. Because. And there's the Greek. Can you see that? Hopefully you can. The English elements. Through which any. Through which any. That's interesting, eh? All right, so we got the concordant scripture here. Romans 1:19. Because that which is known of God is apparent among them, for God manifests it to them. Romans 1:21. Because, knowing God not as God, do they glorify or thank him, but vain were they made in their reasonings, and darkened is their unintelligent heart. Romans 3:20. Because by works of law no flesh at all shall be justified in his sight, for through law is the recognition of sin. Romans 8:7. Because the disposition of the flesh is enmity to God, for it is not subject to the law of God, for neither is it able. 1 Corinthians 15:9. For I am the least of the apostles, who am not competent to be called an apostle, because I persecute the ecclesia of God. Philippians 2:26. Since in fact he was longing for you all, and depressed, because you hear that he is infirm. 1 Thessalonians 2:8. Thus being ardently attached to you, we are delighting to share with you not only the evangel of God, but our own souls also, because you came to be beloved by us. 1 Thessalonians 2:18. Because we want to come to you, indeed I, Paul, once, even twice, and Satan hinders us. And 1 Thessalonians 4:6. No one is to be circumventing or overreaching his brother in the matter, because the Lord is the avenger of all these, according as we said to you before also, and certify.